Will you come up on this car? What is this? What is this?
I am very, very sorry.
What nonsense is this? Look at the nonsense you're even driving. What is this?
I am sorry.
About what?
I mean, I'm sorry over your car. I'm very sorry.
Oh, it's not even your car. My friend, will you come here? It's not even your car. Can you imagine? What nonsense?
I just said I'm sorry.
No. I don't want to talk to you again. Don't talk to me. Rude human being. Just, can you imagine? Can you imagine? And you're telling me you're sorry.
It's even a small scratch.
Oh, it's a small scratch.
Because of a small scratch in your vehicle, you are just shouting around.
I am shouting. Do you know who I am? I am shouting. Do you know who I am?
Young man, why are you vibrating like this? Who are you, sir? Because
you want to know who I am?
We have apologized to you and you are still shouting on our behalf.
You want to know who I am?
I'm sorry, my brother. Maybe you are Obi Kubana. Huh?
Who is Obi Kubana?
Okay, you are what are you using? You money.
No. Who is that? I don't even know the person you're calling.
Okay, it must be you that they call Chief Nani Carlo or Quincy Nippon.
Okay, you hit my car. You're asking me.
Okay, are you man like Chico or Nani Kubana? Are you Asiwaju? Okay, you are Kubana Prime Minister.
I am nobody. Is that you don't know me? But all this name where they call, I know they hear them. What did I know? Be say you go clear for your eye now. You go do it like film.
My brother,
you're calling me nobody.
I want to know who you are.
Okay, you want to know who I am?
I want to know who you are.
Okay, I go change them for you here finally.
Who are you?
Okay, who am I?
I want to know because it has become too much.
Oh, you will know me now.
That's fine, no?
I said you will know. You hit my car. You're asking me who am I? You will know who I am right now. You will understand. Understand.
Oh, you even came out with some group of poor masses. This one is interesting, no? Okay, hold on,
You do you like, you clear you like for I like feel. You will really understand. Hi, God, my guy. Who I am.
My brother, next time when you see some class of people on your way, you make sure you respect them.
What is the meaning of this?
Congratulations. Now you are new vehicle, you and your man.
We the motherfucking best, nigga. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
My brother, at least you can now see that you are nobody. Rich men make money, while poor masses make noise. You get to the point now.
What? Money stop nonsense. Money stop what? Money stop nonsense. Game money non-stop. Money stop nonsense.